A non-racist person is someone who says they have no racism within their body. I don't think they understand what racism really is, and they are passively able to accept, giving themselves permission to do nothing.
Turning a blind eye just isn't enough.
An anti-racist person is someone who encourages and supports others to try and reduce the amount of racism happening to other people.
It is important because we can build a safe environment for everyone.
Because I think as individuals, we should be free to be who we want to be.
And that's why it's so important to be anti-racist, is to try and ensure that we have more of an equal world that doesn't actually despise people or treat them differently just because they come from a different part of the world, or they kind of look different, or they talk different.
If we keep promoting the anti-racism and keep doing events that promote anti-racism, then we can live in a better society and everyone is going to be treated equally.
Pass the Baton Anti-Racism Festival!